Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Also Cardano working out here very nicely with the Elliott wave count. Have even come down very close to the target of this wave 3 in purple. Gave you here a couple of targets and you can see actually the dotted line was I think one of them, the support level of the wave B. That is what we need to break. But where are we coming from? Well, here just keep it simple. In purple, we start here. If I zoom out a little bit, we can see on the 12th of May, we came down in a wave 3, which is normally the most either bearish or bullish wave, depending on what the trend direction is. In this case, the most bearish wave. We came down very strongly, made a new swing low in my target area, which I gave you back in November, December. It was originally a little bit higher, but we specified it further as we went along. And this was the area between is the area between the 88.7% FIB level at 29.5 cents or something, and here 54 cents that was reached. This is typically the area where in such a higher level correction in which Cardano currently is, you would expect a turnaround. Now we then saw a turnaround, not however a sustainable one, as I made you aware that this didn't look bullish. It looked very much like a 3-wave move to the upside. Nothing bullish, only corrective, but it tricks many people into a bullish sentiment and mode. That is the task of a wave 4, which this was. A wave 4 make a lot of people bullish again before the last dump. And we are now heading down as expected in this 5-wave move down in purple, which could be the last wave down, the last wave structure down to finish off the overall correction for Cardano. And that should end somewhere below the wave 3 here in white. ADA, one of the few cryptos that haven't made a lower low yet compared to the 12th of May, but I still think we're going to see it. And what we would need to do for that would be now to finish off wave 3 in purple. It might already be finished, but maybe there will be one more leg down to finish off the wave 3 in purple. Then there will be a wave 4 in purple correction to the upside, roughly 20 to 30% retracement of the wave 3. Then a wave 5 to the downside, and that could then really be the last leg of the last leg to finish off the overall correction for ADA. So all going according to plan at the moment. Here wave 3 probably not finished yet, gave you a price target for it, and we can do that by taking the trend-based FIB extension, beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1, then we go up to the beginning of wave 3. And the target would be the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level that is here at 42.5 cents. So a little bit lower than the wave B low. So we haven't quite reached it, which is why I find it quite likely that in this wave 5 in yellow here, we might see one more move down. Another target or another possibility to calculate the target would be to take, let me just do that. To take the length of the wave 1 here in yellow. So let's do that. Length of the wave 1, which is this one, and add it to the wave 4 high. And again here, 1.618 FIB extension of that would be 44.2 cents. That is really close here to the wave B low, which is at 44.5 cents, and also very close to the price level we came down to already. We already came down to 45.5 cents. So a little bit more move down. I think if we move to the wave B low, I would consider wave 3 in purple complete. That was the target I gave you in the last video. We came really close, and after the wave 4 here. And also looks like there is one more leg down coming just now. Maybe that's it. Maybe. So what we see here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is still coming. Wave 5 of 5 here. That could finish really here. So that's what I'm waiting for. Then wave 3 can be considered complete and you can expect a bit of a retracement. Bear in mind that wave 4 will be against the trend direction. It will be probably rather weak. And it will be a corrective move up against the trend direction. The trend is still going down, as we can see here very much with the moves that happened over the weekend, which are coming across very impulsively. So at the moment also ADA here going, pretty much going according to plan. And what I'm then waiting for is that wave 5 to the downside. And again, I think I showed you, did I give you the target area for that? We can't really calculate that now because we need to see how high will really the wave 4 in purple actually go. And if we know how high wave 4 in purple will go, then we can actually also calculate the target for wave 5. But what it would need to do is finish off the overall correction, ideally below the wave 3 in white, which was at 38.5 cents. I think it's quite likely. I warned you throughout here that this is not a bullish, not a confirmed bullish breakout. A lot of people were like, we're going to see now the rally before the Basel hard fork. To be honest, there might still be a rally if we can finish off the overall correction before the Basel hard fork. But also my view is the Basel hard fork, while it is super important for the Cardano blockchain, it is not the big hype event that we had with Alonso. Alonso enabled smart contracts. Basel is more optimization. So is it really that big thing? We need it, absolutely, and it is crucial for the blockchain, but it is, I'm just missing sort of the hype environment at the moment. Yeah, generally, as I told you also probably 2 or 3 months ago, actually, that in a bearish market environment, there is no guarantee that we are going to see a Basel hard fork run. I remember I showed you on the ADA chart, the last 3 hard forks, that we always saw a run before the hard fork. However, it was timing, because in every instance we had bullish sentiment. Yeah, every other coin went up as well. Just ADA went up a little bit more before those hard forks. And now we just don't have that bullish market sentiment. And that move up here in the wave 4, which was stronger, as you would have seen it with many other coins, might have already been that rally before the hard fork. Yeah? So be aware. There's no guarantee, and as soon as we take the wave B out, and that is why it's so important, as soon as we take B out, it's confirmed that this uptrend has finished, because we made higher highs, we made so far higher lows, yeah. But if this is broken, then we're gonna go down, and that would be sort of the last confirmation I want, but it won't make it that easy for us. Therefore, I do expect a bounce at the wave B low, so pretty much at 44.5 cents. And that's pretty much everything I can tell you at the moment about ADA. Let me know in the comments if you want another ADA update today. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, a weekly live stream. By the way, last week we talked about the Basel hard fork and also the Ethereum merge. Was quite interesting. And maybe also check out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.